What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I have something new to unbox for you guys. This came in from Gearbest, and this is the Tiny 6X, and this is the Bind and Fly Sky version. So let's get right in here and check it out. Looks like we have more than one compartment here. We have a compartment up top, and the top compartment has the extra props here. 3 extra sets of props there. You get 3 canopies, and we got some grommets and stuff, little tiny rubber bands, and we got some screws to secure the flight controller if you ever need to replace those. And we have a prop removal tool, connectors here for the batteries, power leads, and this is the booklet for the Tiny 6X. It's actually the Tiny X series, so it has the Tiny 6X, 7X, and 8X. So they all get the same manual there. So that's all we have in that part. Yeah. Wow, had to apply a little force to get that open. And so here, this is a tiny meter, still branded King Kong RC. But anyhow, this is a tiny battery meter to measure your lipos, to see if your lipos are charged up or what point they're charged up to. It's actually silk screened on the meter there, but it's so tiny that they decided to put this on here, a little more easy on the eyes. 3 batteries here, LDARC branded, 250 milliamp hour 1S batteries. And they're high voltage. They can be charged to high voltage. And it does have the PH 2.0 connector, or power whoop connector, or Molex they call it. And so check this out, guys. So you can charge it up. You can charge the batteries up right here in the case. It's built into the case. Looks like it can be removed because there are some screws here in the case. But on the side here, you can charge it via USB. Or you can charge it with the XT60 and one of your batteries. And so the only other thing is the actual quad here. See if I can get that out of there. So, feels pretty light. Nice. It has 7mm motors. I think they're 7x15 motors. Now, I don't know if you guys remember that I built something quite similar to this. I was calling it my candy whoop. And this is it here. And so it's basically the same thing. This is actually a Tiny 6 board in here. And it's on the Eachine E011 frame here, which supports the 7x15 motors. And so that's basically what this is that I built. And now King Kong made their own. And so let's compare these a little. Let's see what's the weight on them. I think mine's weigh 25 grams. So let's see. It's coming in at 25.5 grams. So let's weigh this Tiny 6X. See if they improved. Actually, theirs is a little heavier than mine's. So, and that's with the receiver and all. 25.5 is mine. 25.8. Let's see if we can remove this sticker here. Nice. The last time it was pretty hard to get those stickers off of there without leaving some type of residue, but this time it came straight off. And so it looks like they improved. The frame seems a little more sturdy than before. I can feel the difference. The frame seems a little more firm, and they have a receiver on the bottom there. And so you guys can expect some flight footage of this coming up really soon. Really anxious to see how this thing flies and compare it to my candy whoop here. I actually have a little fleet of these things. I have a Space Ghost version. It's all white. and I have a few others as well. But anyhow, we're definitely going to see how this thing flies. I want to see if these motors are any more powerful than these are, the ones that I've been using from the E011. And maybe a quick review or a full review of this. It's the Tiny 6X from LDARC. Thanks for watching.